What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel where we break down the best tech for your everyday life. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a game changer product for anyone with a desk full of devices. I'm going to introduce you to this Anker Prime Charger. Now this is probably one of the coolest chargers that I've ever seen. It's 250 watts with 6 charging ports. It's a powerhouse charging station designed to keep all of your devices powered up, fast and efficient. So stick around to see why this charger is worth your attention and maybe even your money. Okay, so like most technology today, when you look at the box, you'll notice that Anker keeps it clean and very minimal. Inside the box, you'll get the charger itself, as well as an AC power cord and a quick start guide and little instruction manual. And what's also nice is you'll also get a very reliable 24-month warranty that comes with this product. Now, right off the bat, when it comes to first impressions, this thing feels super premium. It's compact, it's sleek, and surprisingly, it's very hefty at about 640 grams. That is reassuring for a device that's pushing out 250 watts. Now it's got an aluminum finish and it's also got a 2.26-inch LCD display, which gives it a modern and tech-savvy vibe. Now from a design and layout perspective, the Anker Prime Charger has 4 USB-C ports on the front and 2 USB-A ports on the side. It's also built with a technology called GaN Prime, which means that it's smaller and more efficient than traditional chargers. Plus it also has Active Shield 3.0, so your devices stay cool and safe while charging. What's also nice is it's also got this little dial that ticks as you turn it, which is also a nice feeling, and I also like the sound as well. Now I've been using this device for a couple of weeks now, and I gotta say, performance-wise, this charger is a beast. So let's dig in and start with the first USB-C port, which delivers 140 watts, which can fast charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro to 50% in just 25 minutes. It's perfect for power users like me who always have a laptop and phone on charge. Now what's nice, and this is something that you've got to check out, the LCD display on the front shows real-time charging speeds for each of the different ports for all of the devices that you've got plugged in. You can see exactly how much power is being distributed between all the different devices that are charging with this unit. It even doubles as a clock when it's not in use, which I think is a pretty cool feature that they also built into this so that it also serves a purpose when it's not in use. Now, when it comes to smart control, and here's where it gets really interesting. The smart control dial on the side lets you adjust power distribution manually between all the different ports and the devices plugged in. And then if you pair it with the Anker app, you unlock even more control. You can prioritize specific ports, create charging schedules, and even change the screen brightness and toggle between different settings. So there is a lot of function and features with this small dial on the side. The app also supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, giving you detailed insights into your charging habits. And because you are controlling it manually, you can also update the firmware remotely to keep the charger compatible with the latest devices as they come out. Now, when it comes to real-world usage, how does this thing hold up? Well, if you're like me and you've got a messy desk, it definitely does replace that cluttered mess of power strips and wall chargers. Now, if you place it in the kitchen, it's perfect for keeping everyone's devices powered up in a centralized location. And then I love to use this thing when I travel. Its compact design makes it super easy to pack and transport wherever I need it. Now, before I picked one of these up, I did read some feedback on it, and I think unanimously everyone loves this device. Overall, people love how it declutters their workspace. And then they also love how they can charge all of their devices simultaneously without breaking a sweat. And then everyone also loves the design and the look of the LCD display because it just allows you a lot of functionality. And it also lets you control it and prioritize different devices real time. Now honestly, after 2 weeks of using this, I gotta say, I completely agree with all of the feedback, and I too love this device. I love the fact that I can plug up to 6 or more devices into it, and the thing doesn't even get hot. And it just chugs away and charges every device that I plug into it very quickly. In fact, I don't think I've found a charging device that's so comprehensive and so user-friendly than this one right here in front of me. Okay, so with that in mind, let's go ahead and talk about some of the pros and the cons that I've discovered after using this for the last few weeks. Let's go ahead and start with the pros. First of all, of course, is the 250 watt output with 6 different ports. I love how you can plug pretty much anything into it and it will charge it. In addition to that, I also like the real-time charging feedback that lets you see how everything is working, what's being charged, and how much power is being distributed real-time from the screen itself. I also like the smart control dial. I don't know about you, but it's pretty addicting twisting the knob because I just love the sound and the tactical feel that this button has. Now, in addition to that, I also love the app integration. It's overall easy to use, and I love how you can monitor things remotely using the app itself. In addition to that, and what I think is probably the best feature about this, is that it's very durable and it's very compact and small in design. It's definitely a versatile charging device, and it's something that is amazingly powerful and easy to use. I definitely do love the different charging modes, whether it's AI power, port priority, or even dual laptop. This charger's definitely got settings and modes for any device that you might have. Now, onto the cons, which was very difficult to find any, but if I had to pick any, I'd probably say the price. This thing does cost $169.99, which might be a little steep for some people. And then second, I guess maybe it would be nice if there were more USB ports, although it's already got 6, but more is always better. And then I guess the last thing, and I don't think this is really a con, but I do wish there was a way to mount this. I would love to be able to mount this under my desk or something so that it isn't taking up desk space, because I do like a clean desk. So I guess an option to mount it, but I'm sure there's different solutions out there that you can find or that you can make on your own where you can mount this device under or over your desk. Okay, so with that in mind, and overall, who is this device for and who should be buying this Anker Prime Charger? Well, if you've got multiple devices and you work from home, or even if you travel often, this is a no-brainer. It's also perfect for tech enthusiasts who love having control over all of their gadgets and just being able to prioritize whatever gadgets are most important for you. It's definitely a device and an accessory that pretty much anyone can use and can benefit from, especially in a world where juggling laptops, phones, tablets, and a lot of different other accessories is something that everyone has to deal with. This Anker Prime Charger is a lifesaver, and it's something that I would recommend for anyone who has a gadget, which in today's world is pretty much everyone. Yes, I know it is pricey, but you're paying for top-notch performance, amazing build quality, and a ton of features. Now personally, I think it's worth every single penny. And if you're someone who is ready to level up your charging game, definitely grab this Anker Prime Charger today. Now if you want one for yourself, I've left a link to it in the description section below. Anyways, I know this was a short video, but if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech content. If you have any questions about the Anker Prime Charger, or if you've got one for yourself, let me know how it is in the comment section below. Definitely drop me a line if you have any questions, and I will definitely get back to you. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.